Tired of feeling like your finances are a tangled mess? Do you ever wonder if there's a better way to track your spending, build a budget, and actually see where your money goes without feeling overwhelmed? For years, Mint was the go-to app for personal finance management. It was free, it connected to your accounts, and it offered a decent overview. And for a long time, it served its purpose for many. But as the financial landscape evolved and users demanded more robust, intuitive, and ultimately, more actionable insights, Mint, for some, started to show its age. Many users reported issues with syncing, a cluttered interface, and a lack of genuinely helpful budgeting tools beyond basic categorization. That's where Pocketguard steps in, not just as an alternative, but as a significant upgrade for anyone serious about taking control of their money. While both aim to simplify your financial life, Pocketguard achieves this with a focus on clarity, proactive budgeting, and a genuinely helpful what's left to spend feature that Mint simply couldn't match. Let's dive into why Pocketguard is increasingly becoming the preferred tool for savvy budgeters. One of the most immediate differences you'll notice is the user interface. Mint, while functional, often felt cluttered with ads and a sometimes confusing layout. Pocketguard, on the other hand, is a breath of fresh air. Its design is clean, intuitive, and remarkably easy to navigate. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about reducing cognitive load and making it easier to find the information you need quickly, which is crucial when you're trying to make smart financial decisions. But the real power of Pocketguard lies in its core philosophy, simplifying your available-to-spend amount. This is where it truly outshines Mint. Pocketguard connects to all your accounts, checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and then, after accounting for your upcoming bills and savings goals, tells you exactly how much money you actually have left to spend without jeopardizing your financial stability. This In My Pocket feature is a game changer. Mint would show you your balances, but it left the heavy lifting of figuring out your true discretionary income up to you. Pocketguard does the math, removing the guesswork and preventing accidental overspending. Budgeting with Pocketguard is also a far more proactive experience. Instead of just categorizing past transactions like Mint, Pocketguard helps you set spending limits for various categories and then actively tracks your progress against those limits. You get real-time alerts if you're approaching or exceeding your budget, allowing you to adjust your spending before it becomes a problem. Mint's budgeting often felt like looking in the rearview mirror. Pocketguard helps you navigate the road ahead. Furthermore, Pocketguard offers superior bill tracking and subscription management. It automatically identifies recurring bills and subscriptions, helping you see exactly what's coming out of your account each month. You can even use it to find better deals on your bills or cancel unwanted subscriptions, saving you money effortlessly. While Mint had some bill tracking, it wasn't as comprehensive or actionable. Finally, Pocketguard's focus on privacy and data security is another significant advantage. While both platforms employ robust security measures, Pocketguard has built a reputation for being ad-free, ensuring your financial data isn't being used for targeted advertising. This provides a greater sense of trust and peace of mind for users. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.